Come with me to do touristy things in Melbourne. Yes, I am from Melbourne, but I'm showing my friends around who are here on holiday. So, on the train I get to the city. Our first stop is a boat ride on the Yarra River. This company GoBoat is amazing. You can hire a boat for as long as you like, and you drive it yourself up and down the Yarra River. This was our little boat for the day, and the views of the city were gorgeous. The great thing about these boats is that you get them to yourself and can take your own food and drinks on board. So it was like having a fancy picnic on the water. Hey! By the way, Ashlyn and Jochen are two of my closest friends from Shanghai, and I'm so happy they decided to come to Melbourne for the Chinese New Year holiday. The weather could not have been any better today, and we got some great pics with the city in the background. If you ever come to Melbourne, you have to give GoBoat a try. You don't even need a license. Anyone can drive and the boats can fit up to 8 people. Oh, and I had no idea you could go ziplining over the Yarra. Have to try that one day. After our boat ride, we headed for our next stop, the Melbourne Skydeck, where you can get a 360 view of the city from the tallest building in the Southern Hemisphere. We took the elevator to the 88th floor and the view did not disappoint. Melbourne looked so pretty today. You can walk around the floor and see the whole city. There's also a cafe and bar up there so you can buy food and drinks and a lot of chairs so you can sit and enjoy the view for as long as you like. Oh, my friends are so cute. There's also an experience called The Edge where you can go into this glass room which hangs over the edge of the building. A little scary, but a lot of fun. After that, it was time for some lunch. We went to this Greek restaurant which I can't pronounce, but the good views and weather continued. Also, I can confirm that this food tasted as delicious as it looks. As I headed back to the train station, I took in just how beautiful Melbourne is. I love my life in China, but I always miss Melbourne a little bit when I'm away. Anyway, it was a great day. Thanks for watching.